Hey, it's Nick here with a look at what's new in the latest update for Greyscalegorilla Plus. Earlier this month, we released Tactile, our new growing library of the most beautiful and detailed 3D materials available anywhere. Now, that release included over 200 drag and drop wood and clay materials, and the response to them has been incredible. We love seeing the amazing renders you've already been making. Now, just a few weeks later, we're adding 2 incredible collections to your library with over 100 new materials. First, we have Patterned Canvas, a new tactile collection with 75 new materials. We've captured the true texture and feel of the canvas's tight cotton weave while giving you an immense variety of unique, colorful patterns that evoke those authentic mid-century vibes. And we made changing the colors easy, so you can match your brand's color palette or just make them all your own. In addition, we're also releasing 25 patterned plastic materials. Driven by beautiful displacement maps, these customizable materials will bring new depth into your motion design, product designs, and architectural rendering. Create fluted surfaces with ease or dial it down for a subtle raised texture. And just like the other collection, changing the colors on these patterned plastics is super easy. As usual, all of these materials are ready to go in Redshift, Octane, and Arnold inside of Cinema 4D. No assembly required. If you're a Plus member, you can go get all of this new stuff directly in your Greyscalegorilla hub today. And if you're new to Greyscalegorilla, now's a great time to jump in and join to get access to everything we make, including plugins, materials, lighting tools, and much more. We can't wait to see what you create with all of these amazing new materials. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video really soon. Bye, everybody.